my hair again. It's pretty short. Today's Saturday and we're gonna be productive today instead of sitting at home and doing nothing. So I gotta go to Whole Foods. I've been eating an anti-inflammatory diet and generally just hate cooking. Actually, I don't hate it. I just don't have time and don't feel like it. So I've been going to Whole Foods and getting these like giant family meal plans that are like $30 per thing tray. So I've been doing that and really loving it, and I'm almost out of mine. So we're gonna go get some more. And then I'm gonna go to the gym because I have 25 days until I go to Bermuda and I don't wanna look like a slob. I wanna feel good in my bikini and I want to frolic and swim at the beach and not worry about it. So I'm putting in the work now. I just wanna cover up like some of my pimples because they're not good. Where are my little, I love this little beauty blender. This little baby blender. Oh. This like light is incredibly annoying. But yeah, this little baby blender, I'm obsessed with it. It's so cute. It's so crazy what like a little bit of makeup can do for your self-confidence. And no matter what I do, these little pimples, scars, like never go away. So I'm like, I don't even know why I bother putting makeup on them. It's like, what is happening here? Is that a scab? I keep picking at it and now it's bleeding. I'm also obsessed with my hair. Like I cut it a little bit shorter. Best decision. I encourage you guys, if you hate meal prepping and you have the money, go to Whole Foods and get their family. They're not even that bad. It's like $60 for like 2 huge things of food. I feel like if I was going out to eat or ordering in, like I would spend that money anyway. Just like 2 times of going out to eat. Not even 2 times, like 1 time. I start a new job in 2 weeks and I'm a little bit nervous because the job that I have now is like really cushy. It's like I'm at a desk, I see patients, but it's not like crazy busy. My boss doesn't even work in the same hospital, so I have like nobody overseeing me. And I also kind of like made this position. Like it was brand new when I started the position. So I was the first person in it. And when I applied for it, I thought it was something totally different because the description was not very good. And at that point I was like, I just need a job, you know? So I applied for it, but it ended up being like a really, really good job. And I'm able to take half days on Friday, like as like a work from home, which like I love. But this new job, I think I would be giving that up because the lady said that I could be possibly remote in 6 months. But it's a possibly. So it wouldn't be like a definite, yeah, you can go remote after 6 months. Like it's like a we'll see. Which the position that I'm in now, they actually didn't make it like a remote position. Like I asked for summer Fridays. This is your sign to ask for a remote position or like to make it more remote, because I go into the office on Friday morning, I see all my patients, and then I'm gone by 12 and I leave and I go home and then I give updates to people like over the phone. So this is your sign. Like if your job is not considered remote, you can ask for it. You can ask to be like, hey, you know, I'm doing this day, and also half of my office, like the people that I don't directly work with but are surrounding me, they were all gone on Fridays. Like I'm like, everybody's gone in the office, I'm the only one here. Do you think I could work from home just on Fridays? And I asked in the summer because they were doing like summer Fridays. So I got it. We got the summer Fridays, and then my boss is just like, yeah, just keep doing it. So basically, like, I made my own remote position. It helps to ask, like it helps to, you know, advocate for yourself. I know it's kind of scary, but you know, who cares? Like, why not ask? All right, let's go to Whole Foods. All right, here's my fit. Wearing Uggs because it's cold. Do you have anything to say?
You look pretty.
I can get them on. Oh my god. I love you, kisses. Bye, baby. He's sick. Let's go. Bye, buddy. Guys, this car is literally so old. It's like ripped up here. It's like falling down. I'm getting a new one soon, I promise. I just had to pay $8 grand towards the IRS because I made a lot of money this year. So all my money went to that. I was gonna buy a car with it, but had to pay the IRS, so we'll get there eventually. Okay, so here's everything that I got. That guy was kind of a dick. I asked for 2 of the trays and he like freaked out because one of them, the lid wasn't working. Like the guy who was actually making the trays, and he seemed like he was in such a bad mood from the start, and I'm just like, ugh. Like I hate dealing with people that are in such a bad mood because like there's nothing that you can say to like make their day better. If you could be as like courteous as possible and they're still just like, ugh, you know what I mean? Especially working like food service and stuff. Like, I'm sorry that you work a shitty job. Like, get a different job if you hate it, you know? Okay, so I got this Just Iced Tea. It's green tea and honey. And it only has 70 calories a bottle. I love the peach green tea from Starbucks, and I feel like this is kind of similar. I also got the salmon kabuki bowl from Whole Foods, and I got some Brookies that were half off because, you know, it's Pi Day, treat yourself. Then okay, so these are the trays that I'm talking about, like 2 giant trays, and this is what the guy was freaking out about because the tray lid would not go on, and I'm like, bro, it's fine, like I'll just take it, whatever. And then the other guy that helped me out and wrapped it, he was like, have a great day, I'm sorry. So at least he was nice. But this one I got meatballs, quinoa Southwest salad and mashed potatoes. And then the other one I got salmon, mashed potatoes, and this pasta salad. I try not to go for the pasta salad because it has a lot of gluten in it and I'm not supposed to be eating gluten, but overall pretty good haul. The Whole Foods like on the other side of me, like I have two Whole Foods that are, one is 19 minutes away, one's 22 minutes away. The one that's 22 minutes away, I feel like did a better tray. Like the guy gave me more options as sides. Like he let me do like the tuna salad and the chicken salad as a side instead of like a main course. So I think next time I'll go to that one. But okay, let's go home. Time. Walk in. Do I want to do this? No, it's windy, it's cold. Okay, I just got done the gym and this guy, I was filming and I have my retainer in too. This guy was just like putting his water bottle where I was at and then he would walk up to it and just like watch me and I'm like, I'm sorry, like, are you trying to like get in here? And he was like, no. So then I just left. I was like, I'm over it. I'm starving. We're gonna go make some food. Like the food that I bought at Whole Foods today, because I'm so excited for meatballs and mashed potatoes. I just cut this and I really hope it grows because I had another one but it died, so I need to figure out like how to propagate it. But it's actually been thriving on my mantle right here. Look how good that looks. I don't have a microwave and I kind of wish I did. Hey, Flux. Leo. Are you bread? And my other baby. Hi, baby girl. What are you doing? She sleeps in her tower. I ate, I showered, hence my hair being crazy. So I'm gonna leave you guys here. Thanks for watching. If you watched this far, see you next time. Bye.